How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Oh, yeah, I'm very good. It's the morning time here, and I'm starting a day with a beautiful lady from Australia. So, what else I want? This is the best gift for me.
Oh, thank you.
Anyway, I like to talk about your society, your love, your fun. How do you enjoy your life actually on the weekend?
Um, like, what do I get up to on the weekend?
Yeah,
Yeah, I just like to hang out with my friends.
yeah.
Just. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Ooh.
Yeah. So, what may I know? What is your profession actually?
Oh, I work at a cafe.
Oh, you work at cafe, but have you finished your graduation?
Oh, yeah.
But how old are you?
I'm 18.
Oh, God. At the age of 18, you finished your graduation. Really?
Yeah, that's how old you are when you graduate up here.
Oh,
Or down, up.
yeah. How interesting.
You
So you already started the working outside. That's really so perfect. So you are at home. Do you have any work yesterday?
don't
Or
work on. I don't work on weekends. I just work on weekdays
does she your sister or what else?
with friends.
Oh, friends. Okay.
How are you?
Oh, yeah, good. Oh, you've been on the line. Oh my
I'm
goodness.
good.
Yeah, I'm so happy, Mama. This friend, you are on the screen. But do you like to travel?
I haven't been I'd like to travel. I haven't really been anywhere.
Yeah, but
Never really been out of the country.
yeah, if you get a tiny sense for traveling, so which country do you want to prefer for first time?
I'd like to go to New Zealand. I think New
Huh?
Zealand is really pretty, just
Oh,
from
really?
photos I've seen.
Oh,
I'd like to go around Europe, do a big trip around Europe. I'd love to go. I just want
mhm.
to go travel the world.
Oh,
Mm.
good. Super country, really. So Pacific region. So what do you do? You do work with your friend in the cafe?
I don't work in the cafe, no. I work at like a shopping center. Like I do retail.
Oh, yeah, shopping retail. Okay, good.
Mm.
Okay, so where do you live? With your friend, or you just live just next to your friend door?
We live really close to each other. We live like two houses down from each other.
Okay, so
Mm.
very often you can meet each other. That
Yeah,
you wanna.
we're always with each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. We used to, yeah.
Yeah.
You're awesome. You're awesome. You're amazing. And your English is really good. Your
Oh,
English is awesome. You
oh.
speak better English than me.
When I get the Australian when I get an Australian guest on my platform, I always upright my ear because sometimes I feel really so frustrated to understand your accent actually. But after trying and trying, I had a huge conversation with American, with British, with Australian. But Australian accent is quite difficult to understand. Okay, so
I think we
now,
also talk very fast as well.
uh,
Australians.
yeah, very fast. Do you have boyfriend?
No.
Do you want to find any boyfriend or
I work a lot, so it's good because we both work a lot, so.
oh, so you think working is the far better than finding any friend right now because you will have to enforce, you will have to
Yeah, I
impact
like to
working.
work.
Yeah, okay. So
Hmm.
it's really so good. One thing I heard a bit about Australia that during the daytime you people get hot weather, but when you get the nighttime, it's as hot as cold. Is that right?
Mm. Yeah, 100%. I think it also kind of depends where you are. Like if you're in sort of further up north, it gets a lot hotter than it would if you're down south. So I guess it really just like depends where you are.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, good. You are back,
Okay.
Muddy. Muddy, so happy to meet you both. And so, do you have any talented?
What's my next talent?
This is
I can like flip my eye. Wait, here, I'm just gonna show you.
Aussie.
I can do that.
Oh!
Is
She
that your
hates
bed?
it. She hates it. What's the weather like right now where you are?
It's completely a beautiful weather, sunny weather. But yesterday we had a very damn shitty weather. But today completely better. Not hot, not cold. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good when it's nice and sort of average and you're just chilling.
Yeah, really.
What's like your favorite food to eat in Bangladesh? What's a
Um,
food that just like reminds you of like your childhood or like your home?
yeah. In Bangladesh, rice and fish is our favorite food on the average. Okay. Do you like pork?
Yeah.
Do you like pork?
I like pork. I'm not the biggest fan though.
Yeah, I like pork. Sometimes it
Uh,
can be dry when some certain people cook it, but pork's yum.
what is the best taste between pork and beef?
Ooh,
Beef.
beef tastes better, I reckon.
And I.
My favorite food is beef.
Can't beat a good steak. Can't beat a good steak.
Yeah, beef steak really.
think
It's a really very good
lobster.
taste also. And anyway, I think I should not hold you for a long time.
Oh, hey.
Okay.
He wants to see you and say hello and goodbye.
Hello. Hello and
Okay.
goodbye. You have a great
Okay.
day.
Okay. Have a good day. Bye.